Are you struggling with dry, dull, or mature skin that lacks firmness and elasticity? Introducing Enstylz Skin Firming Mask, your ultimate solution for achieving nourished, tightened, and youthful skin. This revolutionary mask combines with a protein-enriched base and deeply nourishes dry and mature skin, while its mineral-rich formula tightens sagging skin without drying it out. The collagen enhances skin hydration and elasticity, effectively delaying the signs of aging. Soya protein not only lightens skin but also nourishes deeply, diminishing signs of dullness and wrinkles over time. Its rich base gently exfoliates, removing dirt, dead skin cells, and impurities, revealing a smoother complexion. Moreover, the natural base of the mask helps absorb excess oils, leaving your skin balanced and refreshed. Experience the Enstylz Skin Firming Mask for yourself and discover visibly firmer, hydrated, and radiant skin. Because your skin deserves nothing but the best.